Every successful startup begins the same way, quietly. There's no spotlight, no applause, just an idea fighting to survive in someone's mind. But here's the question. Why do some ideas turn into billion-dollar companies while others fail unnoticed? The secret isn't in money, investors, or fancy offices. It begins with a clear purpose. Great founders don't chase random opportunities. They chase meaning. They see a gap in the world and can't sleep until they fix it. That sense of mission becomes their fuel. Imagine someone who wants to solve their own frustration and ends up solving it for millions. That's how big things start. Small, but deeply personal. The real formula begins when passion meets a real-world problem. Purpose gives a startup direction when everything else feels uncertain. Without it, even a good idea fades away. With it, an ordinary person can build something extraordinary. The next part of the secret formula is simple but powerful. Solve a real problem better than anyone else. Most startups fail because they create solutions nobody asked for. Successful founders are detectives. They look for problems hiding in plain sight, problems people complain about but accept as normal. Think about how people once waited hours for a taxi or struggled to find affordable places to stay. Someone saw those pains and decided to fix them. The magic happens when you become obsessed with understanding your customers' daily struggles. The deeper you feel their pain, the clearer your solution becomes. Every great startup is born from empathy, not ego. So if you want to find your next big idea, stop looking for inspiration, start listening. Somewhere out there, millions of people are waiting for someone to solve their problem. Be that someone. No startup succeeds alone. Behind every great company is a small group of people who believe in a shared dream. This is the third piece of the formula, team energy. A powerful team doesn't just share skills, they share hunger. They challenge each other, argue, improve, and build together. The founder is not the hero, the team is. The best teams are built around trust and curiosity, not titles and egos. They work long nights, not because someone told them to, but because they believe they're creating something that matters. That belief is contagious. It turns ordinary days into progress and failures into lessons. A strong team can survive when funding runs out or when the product fails. A weak team collapses even with millions. So, the secret here is not to find the best people, it's to build the right chemistry. Together, they can turn impossible ideas into reality. Here's where most startups stumble, the execution stage. Every idea sounds brilliant in theory, but reality is messy. Markets change, customers react differently, and mistakes happen fast. The fourth part of the formula is speed and adaptability. Success doesn't come to those who plan the most. It comes to those who act, learn, and adjust faster than anyone else. Great founders launch early, fail quickly, and improve constantly. They treat every failure like a data point, not a disaster. While others wait for perfect timing, they're already on version 3. The real secret is not avoiding failure, it's using it. The market rewards those who move, because in the startup world, the fastest learner wins. So instead of asking, is my idea perfect? Ask, can I make it better tomorrow? That's how startups grow. Not by dreaming, but by doing. The last and most powerful part of the secret formula is persistence. Every founder faces moments when quitting seems easier than continuing. Investors walk away, customers disappear, and self-doubt grows louder every day. But the ones who win are those who stay. They adjust their sails, not their dreams. Every rejection teaches them something new. Every setback refines their idea. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes to those who survive the longest. The truth is, most people stop just before they were about to make it. The secret formula behind every successful startup isn't really a secret. It's a mix of purpose, problem solving, teamwork, execution, and persistence. Master these 5, and you'll realize startups don't fail because the idea was bad. They fail because the founder gave up too soon. The winners, they keep going no matter what stands in their way.